I found this box in the bushes. It looks strange. Be careful. I want to open it right now. We should examine it carefully first. It says on the box to open slowly. Opening it quickly will be more fun. Wait a minute. Opened! What's happening? It seems we did something wrong. I can't control it. We have to find a way to close it again. Do it slowly in order. I'll try to calm down. Everything is settling down again. Because we did it the right way. Next time I won't rush. Always read and follow the instructions. Slowing down keeps me safer and helps me solve things better. All done. Now we just wait for the fruit.
Many months later.
Hey, thief! Catch me if you can. That's our tree. Stop right there. Whoa! Oh, a cookie! But only one cake was left. Wait, I want some! Huh? What's going on here? The rule is share fairly. Well, cookie. Hey, where did the cookie go? I don't know. Yummy. Aha! Run! Huh? Where is my fish? Stop right there! Help me! I'm sorry. My car? Wow. Can I borrow it? Hey, give it back! Stop! I'll keep it safe. Give it back. Wait, where's the toy? we share?
Whoa!
Oh, that apple looks delicious. Wow, that's a really delicious apple.
Uh-oh.
I can use the ladder to pick the apple. Hold the ladder tight so I don't fall while picking the apple. Stand on my head and pick the apple. This apple tastes great. Let's cut it up and eat it together.